Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 13th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla did not rebound. This is pretty clear today. So we closed at 966.41, down $50 and 62 cents. That's almost 5% down. Post market, we are down a further 3 cents, $3. So let's look at what we had on the chart. So on Friday, we bounced intraday on 985. So we had been bouncing a little bit on this 985. And then the stock was going higher right after that. And I took a gamble myself last Friday to have a rebound here, and it did not pan out. So I got in early this morning. So the damages are not that bad. It's okay. This was a risk that I was willing to take. But now the stock is really set on 956. And for those that are watching every single day, I had that line exactly where it is now, but it was labeled 946. So I had made a mistake. I moved it to this place, but I did not change its label. So now I have the correct label here. So 956. And we touched that also on December 6th. And I would also argue that we are pretty close on October 25th also, when we had the famous gap up. So right now we are right on the support. We are pausing on that support. We have a green candle. We have a longer wick at the bottom, a smaller wick at the top, a little bit of a buying pressure outside the regular open and close. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this is the first candle of the day. So we basically went down, straight down first hour, then even more down the second hour. And we basically paused, on 956, very close to 956, went sideways. Here at 130, we tried to go even lower, but then we were pushed back up. So this support was held very nice at 130. And then we could see a little bit of a resistance at 968 right here. This is the high of the candles at 11:30 and at 12:30. And then we tried to break outside of that at 2:30, but then we're squished back down. So we did not close above. Then we tried again on the last hour, tried this thing again, but then we're squished back down. So far, intraday, 968 is the resistance and 956 is the support. Everything else is super, super bearish on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart also, so stochastic at 6, still trending down. RSI still trending down, and RSI is at 40. So below 50 means that the strength is bearish. MACD, what is happening with MACD? So MACD, the two lines are not above 0 anymore. So I gave it a second red thumb down, and the MI is also a red thumb down. So all of the indicators are in the toilet. But it's still possible that Tesla maintains itself above 956. We are in a descending triangle here. So this is the support that we have here. And this is the resistance that we have here. And we remember that we are outside of this very bullish upper channel that we had. But now we are outside of it. Now we are in this descending triangle, and the stock should be doing this before deciding if it wants to go up or if it wants to go down. So let's just be peaceful and quiet and patient. The holidays are coming and Tesla is very cheap. So let's hope that it does not go too far towards the resistance before breaking out of that triangle resistance, because we would like to get in cheap. The best case scenario, I don't know if it's going to happen, but the best case scenario is that Tesla goes sideways like this and does not move higher than a 985. I am dreaming here. I am believing in Santa Claus. And Then when we break this resistance right here, then stochastic, just before we break this resistance, stochastic goes over 60, RSI is climbing, and MACD has crossed a little bit before, and DMI also crosses here. So this would be the perfect scenario to enter Tesla very low and have a high probability trade. And guess what? And that would coincide with the earnings report that is due on February 2nd. This is the best case scenario. This is what we would like Tesla to do. And then we would like Tesla, since I'm dreaming, let's dream all the way. I would like Tesla to go back to this channel resistance that we are looking at on Sundays for my members. I would like the stock to get there, and that's $1,300. So this is my Christmas wish. If you can write Santa Claus for me, I would appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member and look at the monthly and weekly charts with me on Sunday. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link if you want to treat yourself. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.